Hello friends, today we are going to see how to download Scratch on your computer. First, open your browser. I am using Google Chrome. Now, search the link which is given in the description. You can see the download page of the Scratch app. Choose your OS, Windows, Mac, Chrome, Android. Get it from Microsoft or direct download buttons are available in the Windows. Now click on the direct download button. You can see that is downloading in the download button. Click on the download button. You can see that is downloading. It takes some time. Scratch 3 is downloaded. Now click on the download button. You can see the Scratch 3 setup file. Now open it. Now you can see there are two options. Only for my user, this second option is. And first option is for every users in this computer. I am using for my user alone. Click on the install button. It takes some time. Just a second. Now click on the finish. Now you can see the Scratch is downloaded. Now you can start the program.